Hello and welcome to an Englishman in Cunderman. Today we're going to have a go at home brewing beer. Something I used to do many years ago, particularly wine. I did do beer for a little while. Today we're just using the basic home brew kit rather than doing all the mashing and sparging and that you get with more traditional sort of ales. But you know, never know, might get into that. But because of the lockdown, I just thought I'm drinking at home. Let's try and do some on my own and see how we get on. So I bought a standard, just basic beer kit, which comes with the ingredients to make 40 pints. This one is Woodfords Wherry. Got good reviews, so let's see how we get on with that. In the kit we also have a barrel, tap that goes in there later, but we don't need that until we've actually brewed the beer, so that will go. What'll happen with this is we'll have a tap on there, and then on here we'll have a CO2 gas thing just to pressure so you get a bit of head on the beer. In the kit we've also got a siphoning tube, but again we don't need that at the moment. That will be for when we've brewed and taken it from the fermenting bin into the barrel. We also have our fermenting bin, which is what we'll use today. Then we've got a little bag of goodies, hydrometer, the CO2 injector kit, tap, some cleaning solution, airlock, and that's a tap for the siphoning. So that's it. Most important thing is to sterilise the equipment, so I'll make a start on that and come back to you soon. Well, welcome back. We've now filled our bucket with 10 litres of warm water, so that's ready to sterilise now. So into that we need 3 to 4 teaspoons of sterilising powder. Give that a good stir up with the spoon stirrer thing that came with the kit. Obviously it's important to make sure it touches everywhere, so I'm going to do a bit of a trick and give it a bit of a shake and hope I don't get it all over the floor. Got it, I think. Put the hydrometer and the testing jar in there as well. Make sure it all gets covered in. So I need to leave that for 10 minutes. But while that's happening, I need to heat the cans of malt up so we can get them out the tin. So fill a washing up bowl and get those heated up as well. I don't know if you can see that very well, but there's still quite a bit left in the can. So we want 6 pints of boiled water on top of that. Put the pints for left-handed people. That's 3 pints. Kettle's back on, so we'll tip a bit of this hot water now into these cans. Get as much off as we can. We will give that a bit of a stir, see if we stir it up a bit. So there's our 6 pints of boiled water. Don't want to put any more. We want to try and get this to around 20 degrees when we put the cold water in. So need to top that up now to 23 litres, which will give us 5 gallons, 40 pints. I'm sure we won't get that eventually, but we'll top it up to that to start with. We do recommend to use filtered tap water for this. And bless my mum, she got a filter on inline, so saves a lot of work. What dribble water. So there we go. That's 5 gallons now, 23 litres. So need to give that a good stir to make sure all that malt's stirred up in the bottom. also need to make sure that the water's all stirred together, so we've got a nice even temperature throughout. Still a bit of hot line around there. Looking good. Right, so what I'm going to do now is transfer this into where I'm going to ferment it. Sprinkle the yeast on the top. I could sprinkle the yeast on now, but I'd rather move it first, and then we get a nice smoothing of yeast over the top of the top. Right, so this is where we're going to have our fermentation taking place. Temperature looks to be around 24. Could do with being a bit cooler really, but let's take our specific gravity, drop that down. Got our little trial jar here. That nice and cloudy. A bit too much there, I think. That's 1.040.
Seriously, I've lost 2 people to this thing. To raise awareness of their page.
So yeast is in there, sprinkled on. We can now start the ferment. So there we have it. Hopefully sometime next week we'll be able to barrel it up. Goodbye for now.